How to trim sound in TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to trim sound in TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and then search for TikTok, and then make sure to click on that update button if it is available. And then, once you have done updating your TikTok app, you may now open it. And then, there are actually only two ways to trim the sound on TikTok. So to begin with, you should click on the plus button found on the bottom mid of your screen. And then right here, you may choose your sound or music right here by clicking on add sound on the uppermost part, and then choose the music that you want. So for example, this one. You may click on the scissor button right here and then reposition to whichever you want. So for example, I want this to be the start of the music. Click on done, and then now you may record your video. So that is the first step or the first way on trimming a sound. So now I will record first. And then once you have recorded, you may now click on the check button found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then on the older version of TikTok, you may be able to see the trim option right here on the right side. So they have removed it already and moved it on another place. So you may choose your music once again, and then you may be able to see your selected music, and then there is also this scissor icon right here. So that is the second option of trimming your music. So now you may reposition your starting point and end point of your music right here. So click on done once you're done, and then you may now post your video. So that's it. That's how you may trim sound in TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.